Hi, I'm Terry. I came to Misty Mountain because I smoked and I was unhealthy and overweight and sort of just stress from the everyday life stresses. And so I've been here for 3 weeks. I did a program for 1 week and then I had a week off in between, and then I've done another week's program, and so my fitness has improved greatly. I did have a sore shoulder as well, which seems to have got better while I was here, and I haven't been a vegetarian eater in the past, but being these 3 weeks without meat has been quite okay. I felt better for it, and my general health is a lot better than what it was. Obviously the exercise helps, but also the food, the good food has helped it, and I just feel that I can now go back to the rat race, so to speak, and yeah, I can continue on the good work that Barbara and Michael have showed us here, and you know, I've started something, so now I've got to finish it in my own world, in my own environment. So they've given me the start to start again, and so yeah, no, I feel a lot healthier and confident that I won't be smoking or eating meat again or alcohol. So yeah, I feel very good, and the surround is nice, fresh, clean air, beautiful fresh water creek, and yeah, that's about all I guess I can say. Thank you.